Okay guys, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about the helicopter. It's called the it's called the Super Chopper, and it's a green one, as you know, but it doesn't go yet because it's not turned on and it's on charge, which is charge is right here, with the red dot. And right here we got the remote, but I haven't tested that yet, so when it goes I will see which one is to take off and turn. I think this one's like to turn and take off. Same with this one. Well, this one's to take off. That one's to go forward, back, left, and right. And the signal, and it goes up and down, and that's the on. You switch it on, you'll see that red dot come up, and I turn it off. And we got these little black buttons ready. I don't know what they're for, but they go like that. And we got turn signals ready, which is, I think this one's the left one and that one's the right one. And as you know, that's got the name on it. And with the helicopter, it also comes with these. So if there's like brakes and you got a spare one, you can just put the spare one on. If you don't have the spare one, well, yeah. And we got the wings and the blades, and we got, well, we can't take the shell off at the moment because I'm not going to pull it apart, and I'm just going to keep it like that. And it's really good. If you want to know where the switch is, it's right underneath the chopper, next to the plug. So I'll just come over. So there's the switch right there. It's to turn on, and that's to turn off. There's the charger wire right there. And the way you're turning it, it'll go the same way as you're turning it. If you're going back, that'll go back. If you want to go forward, that will go forward. Turn, it'll go that way. Turn this way, it'll go towards me. And it takes 6 of these batteries. Take 6 of these. And yeah, and just give me a moment. So when I get running, I won't be able to video because I can't hold my phone and control the helicopter at the same time, otherwise the helicopter will crash. So it will be better off if I don't use my phone to video. And you can see the name right there, which is X Series. And just give me a moment. Here's what I want. Let's get these away. Because the reason why I want this helicopter, because they fly well. They got more speed and turn, and they're longer, and they got landing pads as well. And I got a helipad that's made out of wood. I doesn't have nothing on it at the moment, but I'm still working on it. It's in the cupboard, and yeah. Alright, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, and yeah. Peace out, my brothers.